It's heartbreaking. This is really, truly devastating. Oh, it's so sad, isn't it?
Yeah.
Are these dead chicks?
Yeah. Look, they're all over.
This one is still alive.
Yeah. She's dying. Look at her. She can't move. She's still breathing.
It's really bleak, isn't it?
Yeah.
I mean, they're like little bundles of fluff, aren't they?
Yeah. It's really hot in here as well, isn't it?
It's very warm,
it's
yeah.
Like 30 degrees. Look, there's two here, look. How have they got to looking like that within like 2 days?
I mean, they must die of shock.
These two look like they've been dead for quite a while.
Yeah.
I'm just really surprised how many birds are dead.
Yeah.
I wasn't expecting to see so many at such a young age. They're literally scattered all over the place.
This is really desolate and horrible, really. I mean, this is like, it's like being on the face of the moon, isn't it? It's so dry and arid, and
yeah,
it's horrible, just horrible.
Yeah.
There's so many dead chicks.
I think the problem is the industry. The advertising quite often is showing chickens as happy in fields. Yeah. You know, it's industrial. They're looking at the temperatures. They're looking at. I mean, this is the middle of the night, and we've got the lights on, and that's deliberate so that they keep the birds awake for as much time as possible, so they're continuously eating.
It's really sad. And of course, at 2 days old, they're not occupying a huge amount of space.
Yeah, if you come back here in 35 days, Peter, you can't move because they've taken so much weight on that there just isn't the room.
It's horrible. And there's no enrichment here at all.
No. No, they can't perch. They never go outside.
Yeah.
The next time they'll leave here, we'll be on the way to the slaughterhouse.
Yeah. It's really horrible. And they're so beautiful, aren't they?
Yeah. So in this barn alone, there's 25,000 birds, and this isn't the only barn on the farm. There's another 7 barns like this, so you're probably looking at 250,000 birds on this farm. And then, of course, there's so many farms just like this. They estimate about 1,500 farms like this in the UK. So, you know, you look at it on a global scale, there's about 75 billion animals that are bred for food, but 69 billion of them are chickens. Wow. So by far the most exploited animals on the planet.
Visiting a facility like this is so disgusting. You kind of find yourself at a loss for words, because the only words that are appropriate are it's disgusting, it's horrible, it's inhumane, it's uncaring, it's got no enrichment. You know, there's 26,000 lives in here, and they're just all ignored. All they are is they're either fed, or they're left to die, or they're fed up and taken away and killed. It's, you know, once you use the term farmer and farming, you immediately start thinking about husbandry and care, and, you know, where's that here? It doesn't exist. This is just a facility, it's a factory. So I don't understand how anyone can be so careless as to get involved with this and call it farming, because it's not farming.
No.
Is this making you feel sick? Because it's making me feel sick. I mean, I feel it in my stomach. It's a disgusting smell. And it's horrible, just horrible.
They're just, the animals are just treated like objects, aren't they?
Totally, they're a product, yeah.
How can a farmer look after 250,000 animals at any one time?
Absolutely.
And give any sort of care and attention to the
yeah.
individuals?
Yeah. And anyone who eats meat or poultry or fish should see intensive facilities like this and see just how disgusting they are, and ask themselves the question, do you care? Do you care about the life of these really, they're so sweet and beautiful, aren't they, these little chicks? And you can see them relating to each other, so they have obviously are sentient. It's just so upsetting. It's heartbreaking. This is really, truly devastating.